Okay, review tayo for coming civil service exam. Dahil marami pong nalilito sa H problem, ito po yung susolve natin ngayon. Para pag may kalintulad po na ganitong problem, ay madali nyo na pong masasagutan. Okay, so let's analyze and solve this one. John is 10 times as old as Jane. 3 years ago, the sum of their ages was 82. The question here is, how old is Jane now? Okay, pagdating po sa H problem, the best way to solve it para sa akin is table method. Okay, so si John at si Jane. Let n para doon sa edad ni Jane. Kasi ang tinatanong dito, yung edad ni Jane now. Okay, so let's analyze. John is 10 times as old as Jane. So meaning 10n. Kasi sabi niya 10 times as old as kay Jane. So table method yan. Okay. Ito yung now. Yung edad nila ngayon. Then ang sabi, 3 years ago, the sum of their ages was 82. 3 years ago. The word ago meaning backward or magdeduct tayo ng 3. Kasi 3 years ago. Okay. Magdeduct tayo ng 3 dito kay John at kay Jane. So, 10n minus 3. At dito naman, n minus 3. At ang sabi, the sum of their ages was 82. So, 82 daw ang sum nito. So, pag-adin natin yan ngayon. Negative 3 plus negative 3 is equal to negative 6. 10n plus n is equal to 11n. Bakit 11n? Always remember na pag walang number yan kasunod ng n, meron po yung coefficient na 1. Automatic po yun. Kaya naging 11n. So, yun na po yung equation natin. Para maiwan yung n, ilipat lang natin tong 6 sa kabila. So, 11n is equal to 82. Since subtraction dito, pag nilipat sa kabila, magiging addition plus 6. So, 11n is equal to 82 plus 6 is 88. Para maiwan yung n, divide lang natin both sides by 11. So, n is equal to 88 divided by 11 is 8. Therefore, ito na yung edad ni Jane. Yung n. N is equal to 8. Okay. Para tignan natin kung tama yan, i-substitute lang natin dito kay John. So, 10 times 8 na nakuha natin is equal to 80. Okay. So, 10 times nung edad ni Jane na 8 ay 80. Okay. So, tama po yung sagot natin.